Welcome back to the channel. Today we are looking at my replacement for this. I've been using this for the last 5 years. It is the Apple Magic Mouse in the darker color. And I found it great, really. It has multi-touch, so you can scroll up and down and left and right. Very handy when I'm editing in Final Cut Pro. But in the last couple of months, I have been getting a bit of a strain on my upper right arm. So I've gone to physio, I've talked to the PT in the gym, and he recommended, have I looked at more ergonomic mouses? Because this is flat, it's perfect for traveling and stuff like that. And so I reached out to Logitech and they have sent me the MX Master 3S for Mac. And I've started using it, and I don't think I'll be going back to the Magic Mouse for my day-to-day driver. It is phenomenal. The customization, the app-specific functions and features. Yeah. First thing we're going to do is unbox it and talk about the difference between this and why it's designated for Mac. So one of the first ways you'll know that this is specifically the Mac version is obviously it's on the box, but it's a white box, so very much playing into the Apple ecosystem and design, and the colors are slightly different for the MX Master 3S for Mac. It's two different color options that tie into that Apple world then as well. So on the front we have the Master Series by Logitech, performance wireless mouse and compatible with iPad. Then we've got the Logitech down at the bottom. Top is just your hook. Right hand side is just your QR code if you want to scan it with the transparency app. And then on the other side, you're going to have, again, some of the differentiators. So this is USB-C quick charging, and this comes with a USB-C to USB-C cable, whereas the regular MX Master 3S comes with a USB-A to USB-C Bluetooth. So this doesn't have the dongle. It is compatible with the, as you can see here, the Logi Bolt USB receiver only. So if you do need to upgrade it or attach it to a different computer, you can do that. So in the box, as it says there, we're going to get the mouse, the cable, and then the actual safety document, etc. On the bottom, we're going to have some of our packaging information, etc. So on the back, it is literally a little pull tab. And it opens up, pull it out. Nice design. And we have some information in here. Oh, that's just like a packaging detail on the top. Very good. Oh, it's got the design on the box that's on the actual thumb rest then here as well. And we have inside here the charging cables on this side and the little paperwork. We're going to go into all the different buttons on the Logi app, and then you can see USB-C to USB-C within the box. We're going to go through this in a bit more detail on the actual screen, but you can see there's a thumb button there, your thumb screw here, 2 buttons, and the indicator light for charging and low battery indication. We've got the mag wheel with the ability to have it spin or have it click. Left and right button then here as well. So yeah, beautiful looking. That is the unboxing. This fella comes off. And on the bottom, you have the ability to have it either Bluetooth or the proprietary Logitech, which remind me is the Logi Bolt USB receiver. You've got your little laser detector, and then you've got the multi-device with that. So I'm going to charge it up and then give it a go. So now that we've unboxed it, we can look at the actual form factor itself. It is a lovely in the hand. I've larger hands anyway, but this is lovely and just fits nice. There is a more vertical one, more ergonomic one. I might see if Logitech will send me over that to review, but this one I've been finding great. And what I like about it is that customization. And you do that customization via the new Logi Option Plus app. So let's dive into the customization options within Logi and their customization app on Mac. So here we have the Logitech Options Plus app opened up, and we are going to add a device. So we're up in the top right hand corner. We're going to do it via Bluetooth, and then we're going to have a look and see what Bluetooth devices we have. And we have the MX Master down at the bottom, and it's picked it up. So we can see the mouse there now with 100% battery and connected via Bluetooth. So we then can click on that. So set up your MX Master 3S for Mac. Press the next button to start the setup on the new mouse. And so we've got a number of different options. First up, the pointer speed. I'm happy with the 20 or 50%. 50% is perfect, but you can increase that all the way up if you want to. Oh, that's too fast. Oh, it's percentage. Wow. Okay. And then you can extend the sensor range to 8K DPI. High resolution monitor is very good. So next we've got the mag speed magnetic scroll wheel. With the scroll wheel silently shifts from line by line to hyperfast scroll. Click the mode shift button. Oh, okay, so it makes it absolutely smooth. And if I click it again, it'll give it a line by line. Very cool. Okay. Then we've got the horizontal scroll wheel up on the right here. And so that allows you to horizontally scroll, zoom in or out. So let's try that one. And then volume up or down, navigation between tabs, keyboard shortcuts. And so you can have, when you scroll up, any key combination, and when you scroll down, any key combination as well. So lots of customization there. The back button is back. You can have it as a copy, volume down, undo, keyboard shortcut, or spotlight effect. And then the forward button you can have as a paste, so you can have copy paste there, volume up, redo, keyboard shortcut, and spotlight effect as well. On the bottom then we've got the easy switch, so you can pair your mouse up to 3 devices and switch between them. Just press the easy switch button. Use one MX Master 3S for Mac on your laptop, your desktop, and your tablet. Gestures, so click and hold the buttons as you move the mouse to use the gesture actions below. You can configure the gestures to perform different actions later. So hold and move left. Switches between desktops. Hold, move right. Hold up, hold down, hold up is mission control. And mission control, okay. Very cool. And then the specific apps. So when you're in Final Cut Pro, you can use this then. Google Chrome, you can have the different Microsoft Excel, PowerPoint, Teams, Safari we don't use. So it can be app specific. That's very good as well. Device configured. So we've got the forward button, the back button, the gestures button, the horizontal scroll wheel, the shift wheel mode, and then the middle point and scroll. 50% standard scrolling, pointer speed is at 50%, and the tumble screen. Easy switch at the bottom at the moment is my MacBook, and I haven't got anything else paired to the 2 and the 3. Flow, unique, and multiple computers do it with Flow, another computer by simply moving your cursor to the edge. Oh. And then we've got all our settings then in here. So that is the Logi Options Plus app, specifically setting up for the Logi MX Master 3S for Mac. Let's go back for our final thoughts. So coming to the end of it all, I've used it for a couple of weeks now and probably will come back maybe and do a long-term review of it, but I've been finding it really good and not realizing how much functionality I was missing with the Magic Mouse. Magic Mouse, as I said, it'll stay as my traveling mouse for sure. This one has even got the lightning port charger. The newer ones have USB-C. but this one is just a powerhouse of a mouse, and the fact that you can even charge it while utilizing it. We all joke about the meme of this one and the fact that the charging port's underneath, so it's sitting up or on its side awkwardly when you do charge it. But this one, very happy with it. Highly recommend it for the number of weeks that I've had it. And what I really like about it is the dedicated app customization, and the fact that I'm hopping out of maybe a Excel spreadsheet and jumping into Final Cut Pro, and then I probably need to get my head around it more with regards to understanding what app I'm in, and if somebody's there, jump into the comments. If you can jump between the functionalities on it, I think I could only store one in my head and Final Cut Pro or whatever it may be, but I'm sure you get used to it. And I'm a clicker. I'm not a free scroller, so definitely, but the fact that you have the option of it. Hopefully you've enjoyed that look around the MX Master 3S for Mac specifically. If you haven't already subscribed to the channel, please do so. Hit the like button, leave a comment, share the video, and remember, follow us for the Smart Life Simplified.